Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. The appearance of the 2026 Hyundai Motorhome will be greatly influenced by the body firm performing the conversion and the Hyundai vehicle base they employ, as Hyundai does not directly manufacture a full motorhome for the global market. We can, however, guess what the 2026 Hyundai Motorhome's exterior would look like. The Hyundai Staria The Staria has a lot of promise as the foundation for a contemporary and fashionable camper because of its roomy and futuristic appearance. Hyundai H-1 The Starex Even though this vehicle is no longer manufactured, an H-1 The Starex-based motorhome conversion is still possible, particularly for the potential 2026 model year. Hyundai Chassis for buses and trucks. A Hyundai truck or bus chassis basis may be utilized for bigger RVs with more comprehensive amenities. Functional and Boxy, putting the most internal space first and having a Boxy, aerodynamic design. The inclusion of RV characteristics will preserve the more aerodynamic and modern look if it is based on Staria. Windows with hinges or slides that let in air and provide vistas. Windows on the roof for extra ventilation and natural illumination. The main door typically seen on the side, it may be a swing or sliding door that has a security lock. Access to the back storage area is provided by the rear trunk door. Awning to make the space outside the motorhome shaded. Area for drivers usually keeps the H350's utility or the Hyundai Staria's sleek, contemporary look, with the potential inclusion of a more sophisticated infotainment system. LED lights in a range of hues and brightness levels. Swivel chairs for improved interaction and sofas that may be made into beds. Sliding or folding tables that are suitable for working or eating. To make the most of available space, upper and lower cabinets include concealed drawers. Small kitchen effectively planned for a little area, perhaps with a stainless steel sink, has both filthy and clean water faucets. Built-in or portable stove with a single burner or two. Little refrigerator tailored to fit the space that is available. The size and style of the motorhome determine the available bed options. Rear bed fixed often makes use of the van's breadth. Pull-out or foldable bed when not in use conserves space. Roof bed that pops up gives more room for sleeping.